Good morning, and thank you for keeping up with me and watching this YouTube channel. I hope this motivates you and inspires you. Today we're going out into the Yunque rainforest. This is over in Puerto Rico. It's the only natural rainforest that the U.S. Forest Service takes care of. It's the only rainforest in the United States of America. Pretty beautiful. Let's go check this place out. Here it's super fun, super lit. Enjoy the footage. Love y'all. Remember, like, share, subscribe. If this helps somebody, helps you or anybody else you know, or if you think somebody could use some inspiration and motivational tips, send them this way. Appreciate you. Love you from the bottom of my heart. Thank you.
I feel like you're in a
That's right. Oh. Yunque rainforest. Beautiful.
Yeah, it took about 16 steps, and I'm just like, yeah, it's mud.
Yep. The right of that rock. Yeah.
Yeah, this is a childish amount of mud.
Yeah, just challenging here. They fixing it, but it's a little bit challenging.
Hey. No, she said childish, like for children would love it.
Like kids.
Uh-oh.
Yeah.
All right, go this way. You're gonna go with your wife right here, but take a picture.
Yep.
Te tiras el de American, ¿oíste? Hasta la semana. Ah, bueno.
This sounds super lit down here.
Y'all be super careful right here.
Once this is done, I still have
Right. That might be a mark.
Let her go.
Yeah.
No, you go. I'm saying to them. You got it. Sit down, brother. Yep. Got it. 1, 2, 3. Puerto Rico! Yeah, man.
Acá.
Yeah, just hang on.
Wait for handstand. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, go.
Yeah, I can jump straight down, feet down.
Yeah. 1, 2, okay, go.
Yes, 1, 2, 3, go. Papi, claro. No, don't do it like that because then when you're gonna drop it,
burn it. It'll burn it. I got you right here.
Or
I got you. Watch it. Here we go.
there you go. And hold it here. More torque.
Got you.
There you go. 1, 2, 3.
Okay.
Puerto Rico. Oh.